yummy things have we got? Count with me, we'll cook it through. Rainbow soup for me and you. 1, 2, 3, come and see. Rainbow soup for you and me. Red, orange, yellow too. Stir it up, yum, woohoo! 1 red tomato, juicy and bright. 2 orange carrots, crunchy delight. 3 yellow corn cobs, shining like the sun. Rainbow soup is cooking, yum, yum, yum. 1, 2, 3, come and see. Rainbow soup for you and me. Red, orange, yellow too. Stir it up, yum, woohoo! 4 green peas rolling in a row. 5 blue potatoes ready to go. 6 purple eggplants dancing round and round. Rainbow soup is bubbling, what a sound! Chop, 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 pretend to chop. Drop, 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 toss them in the pot. Stir, 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 big circle with hands. Cooking soup with friends is fun, oh yeah! 7 white onions, 8 pink beets, 9 black beans, what a treat! 10 golden noodles, swirly and long. Rainbow soup makes a happy song. 1 to 10, now count again. Cooking soup with all our friends. Colors, numbers, stir it